Let's kick off by meeting our star, Centrify Access Manager. This tool's like the superhero of access control, keeping everything secure and efficient. We'll discuss what it is, why it matters, who benefits from it, and why industries love it. It's fascinating, trust me. You'll walk away feeling like a tech genius. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Features. The juicy part. Centrify Access Manager offers centralized control like a maestro managing an orchestra. With role-based policies and multi-factor authentication, it's got layers of security. And the reporting tools. A dream come true for anyone who loves insights. Let's break it all down. Your inner geek will thank you. Let's talk tech checks. Imagine setting up a movie night only to find your TV doesn't support streaming. Installing Centrify Access Manager has its own system needs. From OS and hardware to software and network specs, we've got you covered so your movie night goes off without a hitch. Now we prep the domain controller, a bit like tidying up before guests arrives. Backups, done. Permissions, double check. D settings and security groups, in place. It's all about laying a solid foundation for smooth sailing ahead. Who said tech couldn't feel like hosting a party? Time to grab the software. Think of it like ordering takeout. Visit the site, pick your version, check the compatibility menu, and click download. Except here, no delivery fee or wrong orders to worry about. Let's get started with that download. Next step, launching the installer or setup maestro. Locate the file, hit run, and let the wizard guide you, like Google Maps but for software installation. Just verify everything looks good before you set off on this journey. Simple, isn't it? Here's the legal bit, agreeing to the license. No lawyer needed, I promise. Just skim through, check the box, and let's move ahead. Think of it like saying I do, only this is way less dramatic and entirely commitment-free. Now comes the decision-making, what to install. Required features. A must. Optional components. Your call. Understanding each choice is like deciding toppings on a pizza. You want the best combo. Confirm and let's bake this installation pie. Finally, let's choose a home for Centrify. The default directory's good, but you can switch it if needed. Just make sure there's room, no one likes a crowded house. Once you're set, lock it in and celebrate, you're almost done. Let's talk about configuring the zone provisioning agent. Start by accessing the management console. This is the nerve center of your operations. Then set the right parameters, ensure the agent is installed correctly, and test everything with sample scenarios. Remember, if it's behaving oddly, blame the computers, not the coffee. The thrill of starting something for the first time. Begin by launching the Access Manager app. It's easier than trying to open a jar of pickles. Configure the initial setup, log in with admin credentials, and test its basic functionality. Think of this as the dress rehearsal before the big show. Domain controllers are like party hosts. They either let you in or leave you standing at the door. Access the network settings, enter the domain IP, and secure the connection. Don't forget to check stability. Nobody likes a flaky Wi-Fi situation, especially your domain controller. Think of Active Directory containers as your tidy storage boxes. Create OUs to keep things organized. Define user group containers for seamless management and set permissions for orderliness. Test the setup to ensure it works, but don't expect them to say thank you. Deploying structures isn't rocket science, but it's close enough. Plan your hierarchy, map resources wisely, assign roles, and simulate the structure. Pro tip, deployment is like cooking, prep carefully, and you won't have a recipe for disaster. Time to install license keys, like planting seeds in fertile soil. Procure valid keys, log into the portal, and securely install them in Active Directory. Verify activation, and hey, if metrics look good, pat yourself on the back, job well done. Permissions and credentials are the guardians of your data. Review them for accuracy, test across different points, and check for conflicts. Run a security audit, your data will thank you. Well, not literally, but wouldn't that be nice? We're in the home stretch. Double-check everything, confirm all features work smoothly, and run final tests. Document the installation. You never know when you'll need to brag about your impeccable setup skills. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Recap the steps, discuss any challenges you faced, and talk about the importance of security. Suggest monitoring and updates to keep things fresh. And hey, don't forget to smile, it's all part of the magic. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.